We want to get right to that weather alert. Check out this incredible drone video of lightning lighting up the night sky from Plainfield. We even captured the power flickering on and off. And we heard rumbles of thunder so loud it shook the windows at our studios here in the Loop.
From the suburbs to the city, there is a flood threat tonight. A warning for some, a watch for others, with downpours causing the water to back up on already waterlogged streets from this wet weather pattern we've been having. There are reports of up to 2 feet of standing water in some suburbs.
As you can see on live radar, those strong storms are still hovering over the Chicago area right now.
There were hours-long ground stops at both O'Hare and Midway, causing a travel mess, and several thousand ComEd customers are without power right now.
Let's begin our team coverage with meteorologist Mary Kay Kleist. Mary Kay.
Okay, Joe and Erica, we have multiple counties still under flash flood warnings. That does include the southern half of Cook County, leading into Lake and Porter County in northwest Indiana. Rainfall amounts have been incredible. In fact, near the I-39 corridor, we had rainfall totals of 6 and 7 inches around Paw Paw and Waterman and Earl. Another spot receiving heavy rain running right along I-88 near Naperville and Winfield and Downers Grove, 2 to 4 inch totals there. And then big problems near Whiting in Indiana, and also leading into East Chicago, where we had several inches of rain. Almost a half a foot of rain fell there. We're not done yet either. We still have flash flood warnings to worry about here south of the city, around the rim of the lake, as showers and storms are moving through Indiana now. But there's a second batch out to the west that I'm following that want to close in on LaSalle County. We will time this out and let you know when it all ends in your first alert forecast.
All right, Mary Kay, thank you.
Our Sara Machi's been monitoring the weather in several suburbs tonight.
So, Sarah, where are you now and what are you seeing?
Yeah, guys, we're here in Woodbridge, where about the heaviest of the rain and the lightning passed through just about an hour ago. But we have been all around the suburbs checking things out. In Genoa, DeKalb County, you see ComEd crews out trying to repair power lines pulled down by the storm. In other places, the storm brought down massive trees, splitting some at the base. You can see the way that paths had to be blocked off as debris crossed into the way. In Rosemont, near O'Hare Airport, we could hear sirens during an early band of severe weather. A temporary ground stop at the airport issued as heavy rain and lightning moved through. But as soon as the storms moved out, the flights resumed. As the sun set, the rain pooled, sometimes creating ponds around homes in southern DeKalb County. The sounds of pumps running after the rainfall stopped. All right, things here right now are pretty quiet. We do still have rain coming down, and like Mary Kay mentioned, people are wondering if there is going to be another round of rain, again pooling a major concern. From Woodbridge, Sara Machi, CBS News, Chicago.
Sarah, thank you.